Hello guys! Welcome back again to my vlog. Pinay in Vegas 89 here. So, I will tour you guys kung saan naman kami pupunta. Stay tuned! Hello guys! Welcome back again to my vlog. Pinay in Vegas 89 here. So, we're the 5th day here. So, I will tour you guys kung saan naman kami pupunta. Stay tuned! Walking. See. Yes! Look at that view! Gorgeous! Look at that! And me and Charlie walking here. Faster! It's slow. Well, in this, yeah, the house, a nice house.
Yeah, so I go inside the barn to get the eggs.
Oh, that's good. Charlie, Renata Leslie is there. Small house. Wow! That's Charlie, that's chicken. What's that? Charlie, what's that chicken? Is that a chicken? Wow! Let's see. Oh! And they have a small house. Look at that. And Charlie, where are you, Charlie? You want the chicken? Chicken. Oh, he's watching. Are you watching, buddy? I buy chicken. Yeah, so that they can do warmer their body.
I forgot to check water, but
Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video, share, like, and comment below, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinay in Vegas 89, and don't forget to turn all the notification bell. And shout out to my diamond member, Princess Eileen USA Vlog, and to all my followers, viewers out there. Thank you so much for your watching, guys. Bye.